Cordial greetings everyone, my name is Lisandro Soto Diaz. Today I will make breakfast. I choose it because it's my everyday routine. I'm going to cook breakfast for myself. I usually cook oatmeal, but today I decided to make pancakes instead. Before I started cooking, it took a moment to gather all the ingredients. I need to have flour, egg, milk, and baking powder ready. First, I took the flour and measured to coat. I like to use a measuring cup because I helps me to be precise, unlike when I just pour it straight for the bath, which can lead to making my pancakes too dense. While I measured flour, I think about how much better my pancakes taste when I use the right amount. Next, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. I add the baking powder and stir them together. Mixing dry ingredients is important because it ensures that the baking powder is evenly distributed. Now it's time to prepare the wheat ingredients I crack to add into a bowl, and I always try to crack them neatly. But something I made a miss which is not as easy as a lot. Then I pour in 1 cup of milk. After that, I'm going to whisk the eggs and milk together. I prefer using a whisk rather than a fork because it makes the mixture fluffier. As I'm preparing the batter, I think about how I enjoy pancakes more than waffles because they are fluffier and sweet at the side root bitter. This is why I like them as much as I do. I do not like waffles as much because they have those little pockets that can get crispy for my taste. Once the batter is ready, I have the skillet while it's heating and I prepare to the toppings. I also like to add fruits and nuts such as bananas or strawberries. Fresh fruit is not only delicious but also healthy, which made my breakfast feel more balanced. Finally, when the skillet is not enough, I pour some batter on top. I watch as the eggs begin to bubble. This means they are cooking properly. I wait until I see bubbles forming in the center. Then I flip the pancake. Flipping pancakes can try, but practice makes to easier. As I serve my pancake onto a plate, I smile because I'm looking forward to enjoying my breakfast. I know that today pancakes are going to be better than the last ones I made. We turned it out dry. Now I sit down to eat, enjoying my delicious pancake topped with butter and syrup. I think about how satisfying it is to cook a meal from scratch. Thank you so much for this attention.